So what's in this cabinet? Oh, key! Finally! Ah, there is hope at last. I need to open a few doors. Stop! Go away! Stop! 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 Stop it! Shoo! Wow, this Salandrina really doesn't want me to leave this place, huh? As soon as I get more of the books, the more she pops out. Please have something. Oh, thank goodness. 7 of 8. Perfect. I need one more. One more, guys. Definitely need one more book. Man, I am so close. I just need one more book. Give me a chance, please. Come on. Oh my god, I found the key. Yes. Yes. Oh, thank goodness she's not there. Just need a key to get the hell out of here. Need to find a freaking door to open. Some of my videos here need to be like 3 to 4 minutes long though. If you guys been wondering, cause my recorder stops in some way. I don't know why. It's pretty weird if you ask me. Oh shit. Damn it, I hate the dead ends here, man. Sorry if I stop. The controls are just very slippery. Need one more. One more door. I've checked that one already. Fuck. Oh, okay, good. It's not there. Nothing here. Expose. Oh, sorry about that. Gotta get the charger. Just gonna finish this in a matter of seconds. Okay, okay. I need a door. Dang it.